Viet Mechanical Company Limited is a leading enterprise in the field of manufacturing and installing storage racks in Vietnam. Established in 2008, with more than 15 years of experience, Viet Mechanical has been building a prestigious brand in Vietnam and abroad with outstanding product quality, perfect service, ensuring maximum benefits of customers. Since 2015, Viet Mechanical started to sign contracts to manufacturing and export storage racks, bringing Vietnamese brands to the international market. With a total factory area of 11,000 square meters, with a system of modern machinery and production lines, Viet Mechanical has met the requirements of production capacity and signed many processing contracts to export products to international markets. The export products of Viet Mechanical meet international standards, meeting the criteria set forth by foreign partner companies. Currently, Viet Mechanical's storage rack products are being exported and distributed in countries around the world such as the US, Switzerland, Singapore, the Netherlands, Cambodia, India, Pakistan, Mauritius, etc. The exported products of Viet Mechanical meet the top export quality standards such as GES Production Standard, Quality Standard ISO 9001, Design Standard FEM. Each department, each individual in the staff of Viet Mechanical always to work wholeheartedly. With professional capacity and experience along with research and development to bring quality products, optimal design, modern and breakthrough. With the goal of bringing Vietnamese products to the world market. The company's success perspective is to take customers as the foundation. The company's success is always associated with the benefits and absolute satisfaction of customers. Viet Mechanical is proud to be the unit that accompanies many international customer partners to achieve success. Cooperating with Viet Mechanical, customers will receive sincere, reliable and customers' benefits are guaranteed.